dahil matigas ang ulo
Baby,
ko,
'cause every time that goes by, I sense
tinry ko
you.
siya kantayin using girl math, and
And honey, I'd do anything that you want me to. 'Cause you got me so tied up with everything you do.
How can I find satisfaction? I fill my time with more distraction.
Hey guys, happy Friday. So it is going to be a very busy day kasi it's Friday and madami akong kailangan habulin na gawin. Nahatid ko na yung tatlong bata. Again, they have like daycare and school today. So mag-isa lang ako dito sa bahay. And I'm just making my coffee first and foremost kasi I need the energy to get by para matapos ko yung mga gawain ko for today. So, so I have my ice and caramel and milk. And dahil matigas ang ulo ko, mag-ice coffee tayo. I don't know, I just need it today because it's gonna be a long day. Just a little bit. Actually, that's quite a lot. So, hindi ako nag-aasukal, guys. So, usually caramel lang and then a pump of that. And after yan, fresh milk. And of course, our fresh. Kasi naman, what did you expect? Our fresh coffee. Also with coffee, I'm quite specific kasi gusto ko talaga yung may konting bitterness. Even with my tea, kung gumagawa ko ng hot tea, I want na walang sugar. I can do milk, fresh milk, pero ayoko yung may sugar kasi nasisira yung pagka-pait ng tea. So yeah, sanay ako sa pait.
What?
Nag-refill tayo ng cookie jar kahapon. Actually, kagabi, bumili si tatay ng cookies. Assorted. And this is my favorite. Ito pala yung Arnott's na assorted cookie from Aldi. And ito yung favorite ko. This is like apple crumble thing, which I really like. I could be wrong though. I don't know if it's like apple crumble, but I feel like it could be, or it might be. So it looks like this. Diba? Again, this is my breakfast. Coffee and cookies. Anyways, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kaninang umaga kasi late na kami nagising. And also, a lot of things has been happening like in the morning. And usually, hectic talaga yung morning ko, guys. Kasi, syempre, tatlong bata yung inaasikaso ko. So, alam mo yun, hindi ako makakapag-focus sa ibang bagay, kundi yung mga bata. Sinisipon na naman tayo. But, it's going to be a busy day. Nag-laundry ako kahapon kasi magpapack na tayo today. I was supposed to pack yesterday, but I couldn't. There was so much going on. And then, napagod na ako. Nung hapon, bago pick up sa mga bunso, nakatulog na ako sa sofa. Alam mo ba? Nakaidlip lang naman, but I think nakaidlip ako for 30 minutes. Yeah, around ganun. Or less. Because Kuya had to go to the toilet. And sino pa ba ang mag-aasikaso? Siyempre ako. Hey guys! Hey guys, so, ito ang project natin for today. Meron ako dito na galing sa dating apartment na frames. Dalawa to. And I'm planning na ilagay ko sila dito. Kaso wala yung asawa ko. And siya yung magaling gumawa ng mga ganitong bagay. So, good luck talaga. Ito yung mga last minute things na naiisip ko lang. Agad-agaran. Impulsive baga si ate girl. Pero, pinupunasan ko muna. Wait lang. So, magpapalit din tayo ng bed sheets. Kaya, ignore nyo na lang guys. Ha? Magulo siya kasi papalit ako ng bed sheets. And ignore nyo na din yung dalawang magkaibang side table. Kasi, plano namin bumili ng bago na magka-partner. Kaso hindi pa ako nakakahanap ng something na gustong-gusto ko talaga. And hindi kasi ako bumibili basta-basta unless talagang mahanap ko na yung parang perfect na furniture. Kakalipat lang kasi namin last year dito sa bahay na to. So, I'm still trying to figure out kung ano yung mga ilalagay ba or aayusin. So, like, we're doing it slowly but surely. Hindi naman namin minamadali. Pero, yun lang, disclaimer, baka kasi magtaka kayo na parang, uy, bakit gano'n yung side table? Ay, tama naman, no? Side table nila. So, ito yung mga tools na meron tayo. So, ito yung parang picture hooks. Parang picture frame hooks. And, capacity daw niya 10 kilograms. So, wala naman siguro 1 kilo to. Meron akong ganito. We also have martilyo. And, syempre, wipes. Iwa-wipe ko lang yung picture frame para malinis. So, pagagalitan ako ang asawa ko. Sabi niya, hindi pa ako inintay. Pero kasi, gusto ko try matuto paano ikabit. Pinanood ko kasi yung asawa ko last time magsabit ng mirror dun sa labas. And parang feeling ko, alam ko na kung paano. Mamagaling. Actually, wala to sa listahan ng kailangan kong gawin for today. Hindi ko ba alam? Ano pa namang sumapi sa akin at pag-decide na naman ng ibang bagay. Sana makabit ko to, no? Kasi kung hindi, nagsayang lang ako ng oras. Ito yung mga galing pa sa lumang apartment. And I just wanna reuse it. Kasi ayoko naman magsayang ng pera, no? Para lang sa picture frame. And it's a very good color. Like, it's a neutral color naman. So, feeling ko babagay naman siya. Bahala talaga si Batman. So, I plan to put it ito dito.
I can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late, cause I'm taking my time. I can be driven, ambitious, your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder, always forgetting, needing reminders. But I'll always be there when you need me. Cause I know that two things can't be true.
Okay. So, ganyan dapat siya.
Cause I get so confident yet confused. So I'll let go to live in between who I am and who I wanna be. Maybe I'm incomplete and a messed up masterpiece. Know everything and nothing, a childish 20-something with my pros and my cons, my mistakes and my flaws. Don't have it figured
pantayan using girl math. And tingnan natin. Feeling ko hindi ko naintindihan yung anong ginawa ko. Pero feeling ko rin naintindihan ko siya. Kumbaga, inano-ano ko lang siya. Sa utak ko. Feeling ko naintindihan ko yun. We'll see kung maayos ang pagkagawa. Pero, paano siya ikakabit? Paganyan. Paganyan. Pahook. Paganyan. Paganito. So, ito yung nakasandal sa pader. Ganyan. Ito yung babaon mo sa pader. Tapos, ito yung parang subitan. Ay, kiki. This is it, pansit. Wish me luck. Ito na tayo. Oh no! Nahulog. Nahulog. I need another one. Lumusot sa kama. So, wala nang bago. Okay. One down. Isa pa. Ta-da! Feeling ko pantay sila. Moment of truth. Ta-da! I did it! Pantay, di ba? Pantay ba? Pinawis ako na. I think it's pantay. Yes. Somehow. Hindi perfectly. Pero pantay na siya ng konti. Girl math works! Yes! Huwag lang sana mahulog sa ulo namin, but I think for now, okay siya. Just trying to see kung sa video pantay siya. I think it's pantay. Good job, self. Ang init. Whew. Ang init, ah. Nagawa natin. Ngayon, papalitan na natin yung base.
I can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late, cause I'm taking my time. I can be driven, ambitious. Your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder. Always forgetting, needing reminders. But I'll always be there when you need me. Cause I know that two things can't be true. Cause I get so confident yet confused. So I'll let go to live in between who I am and who I wanna be. Maybe I'm incomplete.
Also, is there anything you'd like to say?
I'm indecisive, I don't know why. My good intentions fail me sometimes, but I don't get angry, can't faze me. We can talk it out, no, we don't need to fight. I can get anxious, but I won't cry. You never know, cause I keep it inside.
So, these are actually makeshift headboards, yung green na yan. Kasi, nung binili namin yung couch, kasama yung tatlong pillow na yan, pero sobrang bulky niya. Napaka-dense nung parang cushion niya sa loob. So, tinanggal ko siya sa couch kasi ang hirap umupo ng komportable na nandun siya sa likuran ng couch. So, tinanggal ko siya doon, nilagay ko na lang dito, parang makeshift headboard. Kasi yung headboard nito medyo mababa. And yung kutsyon ng kama naman is mataas. Like, it's really thick. Hindi siya yung normal na kutsyon. So, mataas siya. Ang nangyari, mas lalo tuloy bumaba. Tingnan yung headboard. So, hindi mo na siya halos makita pag may mga unan. So, nilagay ko lang yan dyan. Kind of like repurpose it. Kasi sayang naman kung itatambak lang kung saan. And yung dito sa dalawa, I'm planning ng color black na side cupboards or like side tables. And hindi ko pa mahanap kung anong side table yung bibilihin namin. So, siguro next year na bibili pagka uwi namin galing Pilipinas. Ang daming kailangan gawin. So, hindi namin prioritize yung pag-shopping ng furniture. And mag-save muna tayo ng pera para hindi galing sa savings yung gagastusin natin. So, yung lampshade dito, matagal na rin yan. Galing pa yan dun sa dating bahay namin or dating apartment. So, again, nire-reuse lang kasi sayang naman. Hindi naman porket lumipat ka na bagong bahay, kailangan bago na lahat, diba? So, most of the things na ginagamit namin dito sa bahay na nilipatan namin is repurposed. So, they are already the ones that we were using sa previous house. I'm really happy, proud ako na nagawa ko to. Kasi parang sobrang blank ng wall. So, ito, nakatambak lang siya dun sa kabilang kwarto, hindi nagagamit. And I've been meaning to use it. So, yung isa, tatlo actually yan. Yung isa nandun na sa lounge. Pero ito, sabi ko, sige, gamitin lang natin siya dito. Kasi, sayang naman. We can also like change naman yung nasa loob niyan. So, maghahanap ako ng something na siguro mas better. Kasi ang creepy nitong alpaca. Parang nakatingin siya palagi. So, kailangan ko siyang palitan. This was from the Philippines. Inuwi namin to dito. And bili to ng mommy ng daddy ko. So, I made sure na pagkasyahin siya sa luggage. Tinupi ko siya ng ganyan. But yeah, ito yung favorite pillow ko. This was from this year lang, nung March. So, bagong laba pa to, so hindi ko muna siya lalabahan. Now, pupunasan ko lang yung side table.
Maybe two of us, 'cause I know that two things can't be true. 'Cause I go from Bossa to Blue.
Lunchtime, guys. So, napagod na ako linis sa kwarto. And it's already 2 o'clock. So, kailangan ko nang lunch. Para pag nagsundo kay kuya, hindi ako gutom na gutom. So, meron tayo dito parang stir-fry veggies with beef. Niluto ni tata yan. And chili oil, syempre. And manonood lang ako ng aking series. Si Riverdale. Actually, magpapaksa na ako today. Kaso, yung luggage nandun nakapanik sa kabilang kwarto. So, titignan kung kaya ko siya ibaba. Otherwise, aandayin ko na lang si tatay. Kasi dalawang luggage yun. And then yung luggage, may laman pa siyang mga luggages. So, 3 luggage siya in one. So, ang hirap niyang buhatin.
Son, from everything you said, it's clear that Randy died from those drugs. An autopsy will support.
I knew Randy was.
So I'll grow to love in between who I am and who I wanna be.
Hey guys, we are home. Na-pick up ko na si Kuya.
We're picking up at 5 o'clock with those babies.
Yeah. So, nag-afternoon tea lang siya.
5 o'clock.
And we're gonna pick up the babas at 5 o'clock.
Maybe 5:30.
Can you show them? What are you having? You got your chocolate milk. What else? The banana, which is really nice. And a bit of, what is that? Leftover from? Where from?
The lunch box.
Your lunchbox. So, inuubos niya lang pag may leftover siya. Ay! Pag may leftover siya, inuubos niya lang sa bahay. Para hindi sayang. Right?
Yep.
Yeah. Good job. Hey guys, so it is night time na and I'm currently cooking dinner. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi ang daming nangyari and obviously kailangan ko asikasuhin yung mga bata, but we are having dinner now. So this is the dinner. Ito yung niluluto ko. This is tinapa na bangus. Meron tayo dito duck egg and tomato, and then just plain tomato with a little bit of salt. Tapos ito yung pangsawsawan, frozen kasi. But this is the sausawan suka. And so I'm trying to prepare everything right now.
Maybe I'm incomplete and a messed up masterpiece. Know everything and mistakes in my blood. Don't have to figure it out yet. I'm a work of art and a work in progress. With my pros and my cons, my mistakes and my flaws, don't have it figured out yet. I'm a work of art and a work in progress.
Baby, 'cause every time I close my eyes, it's you.